Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not letting you switch accounts. So, if TikTok won't let you switch between accounts, the issue is usually caused by the app glitches, login problems, or outdated settings. Fortunately, there are several simple fixes you can try. So, first is to restart the TikTok app. So, close TikTok completely and reopen it. To close it and reopen it. So, temporary bugs can sometimes prevent account switching and a quick restart often resolves the problem. Next, you can check your internet connection. So close TikTok and go to your settings. Then go to Wi Fi and check if you're connected to a stable connection. So, a weak or unstable connection may stop TikTok from loading account information properly. So, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue improves. Next, you can also update TikTok. So, close settings and go to App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok. Open it, and if you see an update button in here, just tap on that to update its latest version. So, using outdated version of TikTok can cause unexpected errors. So, make sure you're using the latest version. So, install any available updates and wait for it to finish. And once it's done, open it and see if it works. Next is to clear TikTok cache. So, open TikTok and tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Then click the three-line menu at the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Free App Space. Open it and tap on Clear to clear the app cache. Tap on Clear once more. And as you can see, it's now clearing. So this removes temporary files that may be causing account switching issues. I hope that solves your problem. Thank you for watching.